sinenkinga entsha la ku-PSL. We have a South African goalkeeper crisis. Yabo, kwi-PSL abekho baningi old goalkeeper esinabo. Ngathembela kubona in the next 5 years. Yabo, in the next 5 years, I don't think uRonwen Williams sazombona kuBafana Bafana. In the next 5 years, I don't think uRonwen Williams sombona kuBafana Bafana edlala. Because mas ucheck iminyaka kaRonwen Williams. Ronwen Williams kulo nyaka una 33 years old. 33 years old. Wazalwa ngoJanuary 21. So next year uzobe na 34. Yebo, next year uzobe na 34 mase siya ku-second goalkeeper yeBafana Bafana edlalela iBafana Bafana currently uSipho Chain. Sipho Chain is another goalkeeper mhlambe ngenzeka ayidlalele iBafana Bafana in the next 5 years, but I don't think uzobe sakhona kwesikhathi seBafana Bafana because yena right now una 28. Jube na 28 in the next mhlawumbe ngenzeka ayidlalele iBafana Bafana uSipho Chain in the next 5 years. Yabo ngenzeka because una 28 right now. Next year uzoba na 29 mase ngaloya nyaka abe na 30. Yabo mase kuthi Sage Stevens another goalkeeper olingana noRonwen Williams. Yabo Sage Stevens emazi bafethu yena una 33 years old. 33 years old. Imagine goalkeeper esinabo right now kuBafana Bafana. And ngisathanda kuzwa la ngisathanda kuthola umbiko about uRonwen Williams. uRonwen Williams mfethu ngizwe kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns are looking to sign a young goalkeeper. Yebo, iMamelodi Sundowns ifuna ukuthola ugoalkeeper omncane because mase ubheke ko-goalkeeper beSundowns ino goalkeeper abayi5. Njobe no goalkeeper abayi5, uRonwen Williams njengangishilo na 33. Dennis Onyango I think miphela le season le uyahamba uNyango. Mase kuba khona uJody February. uJody February is not a goalkeeper you can rely on muIMamelodi Sundowns. So aba-rely kakhulu kuJody February. Yabo una 28 years old naye ulingana noSipho Chain. I don't think uzoba khona kwe-squad siBafana Bafana anytime soon. Indlela adlala khona akayitholi futhi game time kuyi-Sundowns. Yabo games asekwadlalela iSundowns akafikile ku6, akafikile ku7. That tells you about uJody February atafika waMamelodi Sundowns. Another goalkeeper uRiyad Piters ongenzeka na ayishiye eMamelodi Sundowns una 33 years old. Sanele Shabalala ubelono le kwiSwallows, Moroka Swallows naye akayithola game time kuMamelodi Sundowns. Abanje babadlali labo. Umdlalo odlalayo uRonwen Williams asinayo la eSouth Africa ugoalkeeper oyitholayo igame time under 25 oyi-South African. Yabo. So iMamelodi Sundowns are looking to sign a young goalkeeper. Singesazi ukuthi umuphi ugoalkeeper bazomsigna because akekho ugoalkeeper okhona la eSouth Africa ongaphansi kwa-25 odlalayo. Ontswempu. Wona ungangitshela ama-comments ukuthi uba ugoalkeeper omaziyo ongenzeka sign weMamelodi Sundowns. But looking at the goalkeepers esinabo nje kuma-club ala kwi-PSL, mase ubheke i-goalkeeping list ye-Orlando Pirates. Goalkeeping list ye-Orlando Pirates inosipho Chain, Melusi Buthelezi, Siphamandla Gumede, Siyabonga Dladla, and Ethan Visachi. Ethan Visachi ugoalkeeper esathanda kumthenga la season lo iColored. Siyabonga Dladla is another goalkeeper esathanda kumpromote. Both of these goalkeepers bobathathu benosiphamandla Gumede bana 23 years old. Yabo bayi-future, ungasho bayi-future ye-Orlando Pirates. Mase ubheka uBelusi Buthelezi cishe alingane noSipho Chain because uButhelezi una 27 mase kuthi uSipho Chain abe na 28. Yabo Siphamandla Gumede, Siyabonga Dladla, Ethan Visachi goalkeeper laba bangayitholi game time kuOrlando Pirates. So asazi kahle kahle ukuthi bayi-quality noma basiyona i-quality. Yabo I've heard a lot about uSiphamandla Gumede ukuthi uSiphamandla ugoalkeeper alright. Yabo but ke lana kuBetway Premiership uyozwa ithole i-chance ukuthi adlale kwi-team mhlambe sela ku-26 25 kuya phezulu. Yabo goalkeeper abancane sibaboni bedlala la, which is not right bafethu. Siyababona umfukeng bashana bena 18. Maningi ama-youngsters right now kunombokazi abana 19 abadlalayo. Kunomabhena, kunoLetlago, kunoVilakazi, Duduzi Shabalala, ama-youngsters. Wasingababona ama-youngsters goalkeeper siwabona idlala. Si-invest goalkeeper because goalkeeper iyona into eshoda ngako squad seBafana Bafana mwase ubheke la goalkeeper be-TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy ino goalkeeper wale Ivory Coast mase bena goalkeeper wale eTsesh. Yabo uba uJiri QP mase kuba uIri Eliezer Thape mase kuba ugoalkeeper wala eSouth Africa uWestern Van Linde. Yabo angifuqa ngilazi leli gama mhlawumbe igama leAfrikaans. mase kuthi Stellenbosch sino goalkeeper abawu3 bala eSouth Africa but labo goalkeeper badala bonke because uOscarine Maseluku una 31 years old, Sage Stevens una 33, mase kuba uLee Langeveld wabe na 39 years old. Yabo lo mshide lo angarithana minini Stellies is short down goalkeeper kumele senze iplan yabo. Mase kuthi amazulu uRichard Ofor una 31 waseGhana uRichard Ofor yabo he's na 31 but waseGhana. Veli Mothwa another goalkeeper obuyivimbela Bafana Bafana angisaboni usazokwazi ukubuyela kuBafana Bafana una 34 years old yabo. Mase kuba uAndile Mbanjwa una 27 years old. There was this goalkeeper wayedlalela amazulu last season angazi kwenzakalani but lo goalkeeper wayengivimbela kahle yabo wayengivimbela kahle. I think bamlona kwiDurban City if I'm not mistaken and funa khona kwiDurban City ayithola game time and lento bafethu ngifuqama ayikho mnandi. Kaizer Chiefs sinabo goalkeepers bo4 awufiyesi Ntwari una 25 years old akusiyena kwala eSouth Africa yize na 25 wale Rwanda. Mase kuthi Bruce Mvumo una 29 years old, Brendan Peterson una 30 years old, Karabo Molefe una 22 years old, same as Gumede. I don't think uKarabo Molefe uzoyithola game time anytime soon yabo. I don't think the guy will get a game time anytime soon. Chippa United, their first choice goalkeeper was Stanley Nobali and naye futhi una 28 years old waseNigeria. Lukhanyo July yabo kuba Darren Johnson, Kieran Prince yabo. uLukhanyo July beno Kieran Prince, I don't wanna lie, I haven't seen those guys yabo. Now Darren Johnson yabo kuChippa United the only goalkeeper we see was Stanley Nobali. Mase kuthi kuGolden Arrows kube khona uIsmail Wathenga wase-Uganda. Mase kuba uEdward Mawova wale Namibia. Kuba uSifiso Mlungwana una 27 years old. Kosengiphile Gumede una 31 years old yabo. Badala labachita badala yabo. Kuthi le ko Marumo Gallants number one goalkeeper wabo Washington Arobi una 39 years old. Daniel Akpe former Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper una 39 years old futhi. Mase kuba uKopano Tusane owayevumbele Orlando Pirates una 25 years old. I haven't seen much of him. Mase kuba uKakiso Mlambo una 35 years old. Nyababona ufethu nyababona uyedwa kuphela ugoalkeeper una 25 years old kulabo goalkeeper beMarumo Gallants yabo. Mase ucheck Cape Town City no goalkeeper abawu3 kuba uLucia Dan Alo Balo Olario. Mase kuba uElson Sithole una 23, Olario una 21, Darren Keats una 35. Goalkeeping crisis inayo eCape Town City ngifuqa manga inabo goalkeeper yabo. Elson Sithole yes una 23 years old, Olario una 21 years old bala eSouth Africa but I don't see quality lapha bafethu yabo. Sayidinga quality go goalkeeper. Where's the quality? Even though awunayo ke quality, play these young goalkeepers bawuze bajwayele ukudlala yabo. Play these young goalkeepers bawuze bajwayele bafethu ukudlala. Ubungadlalisi lamakhehla lawo because mina idlalisela amakhehla unizoshiya no bapho goalkeeper